Hello? Yeah, I'm coming right back, bro.
So we just got some, what are these?
Shot glass.
Oh, yeah, some shot cups. I forgot the cheese. And we just got some of these, so it'll be better to go with our liquor again tonight.
Like, damn, my dude. Taking all day to fucking drive. Like, damn.
Road rage like a motherfucker. About to...
Dude, she ain't even finna drink, y'all.
You ain't finna drink.
You gonna sit back again like yesterday and watch.
But anywho, we about to go to his mom's house.
Play 2K.
Drink a little.
Play
Eat
2K.
our pizza puffs. He gonna play 2K. And then we're gonna go to a movie. And that's it. I'm feeling good.
You are?
Yeah, how about you?
Okay.
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really should've never lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to
That movie was funny. It was decent.
Sure.
Now what you want to eat?
The tomatoes, please.
Want me to more large with drink?
Medium. And, you have hasty anything?
Throw that shit
You
outside.
should say no whipped cream.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, it's fine.
Let me see. Shut the.
I mean, you could still drink it, but we always just knock it off.
Yeah, I'm finna knock that shit off.
I was gonna say I woke up this morning and my throat was killing me. So that's why I made that hot chocolate.
It'll be feeling better, baby. Trust me. It's tricky. You can't turn it. Yeah. The weird thing.
Man. Hey. Hey, man. Hey, man. Looking all cute.
Say hey. You go wave. Say hey.
Ooh.
Queen. Yeah.
Look at you.
Yeah, that's me.
Hey, Audrey.
Say hey, man. Hey. See, we chilling in the back, chilling with Bay. Ain't that right? Say, yep, that's my Bay too. Chilling with Bay. Say, we at what? We at my granddaddy's house, chilling. Say, we
What you
chilling.
looking at, man?
Say, I'm just looking at you. Say, sexy. And good right. Say, ooh. See, that's sexy.
Well, I'm ready to
big
eat.
kid.
Yeah.
You ready to eat? Yeah. I'm ready to eat. Every black people.
I said that so loud, but no.
We still looking.
Yeah.
What you looking at me? You like that camera?
I'm just tired.
Very tired. She don't feel too good. Oh.
I'm gonna go I kind of want to take a nap, okay.
You want to take a nap?
I mean, but if we take a nap at this time of night, we're going to be asleep until tomorrow.
You already know. They want to take a nap. They she said up here.
My head and my throat hurt.
Yeah, my throat. Some holes in the cup for you, baby.
At McDonald's, chilling. Finna go to Ultra to get some taco seasoning.
Look at Phone. Look Frog. And Phone. Look.
This is too many onions in here. I mean, not too many, literally, but...
It's enough, huh? I said it's enough, huh? Say hey. Say hey, y'all.
Two oranges. They over here. These are oranges. She pointing. Yeah. She pointing over there for. Yeah, she pointing over there for oranges. But those are peaches. Where your orange at? About to wash these dishes, then we're gonna cook some tacos. That's pretty much the rest of the night.
Okay, so being sleeping, she don't know I got her camera recording, so. And she also don't know I cook. Well, she know I cook, but she don't know I made the plates. So let's see what it's looking like. Got some nachos. Got baked tacos. You know how she like them. Plain on them. And I got mines. Hot sauce and that bullshit on them. Yeah, you know. Big tacos, yeah. You know how you do. They don't know them. Nachos. Yeah. So yeah. That's all. Be in here sleeping. You probably can't see her. She in here sleeping. She don't feel too good. Let's see. See if we can see her. Nope, we can't see her, but she's there laying down sleeping. They sleep. I believe that's it for tonight. I believe that's it. Like and subscribe. Watch the other videos. They don't know I'm doing this. So it's a surprise, so don't tell Bay. I know that ain't a surprise. She gonna find out when I show the video, but goodbye. See you guys later.
I really like what you've done to me. I have no clue what it is you do.